L82 350 underneath the hood. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, automatic transmission. This is actually only a 3-owner car, spent the majority of its life in Virginia up until 2021, has a little over 69,000 miles on it is all. It's been gone through, like I said, turn the key, get in and go, medium blue metallic, good looking color. Black interior, white vinyl top. Take a look at the front fascia. Now, if you want to see all the still pictures, so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see all the pics. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the slotted steel wheels, center caps, beauty rings, got that rally style wheel. Perfect look on these C3s. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. You can see the paint has a nice shine to it. There's a few spots where there's maybe a touch-up, imperfection here or there, but overall, again, turn the key, get in, go have some fun, your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Of course, bucket seats. Center console does have an aftermarket Kenwood stereo in it that does work. We'll put the top up before the video's over too and let you check out the condition of that. I'll show you how easy it is to fold them up and down. Not a problem. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now, some recent work that's been done to this. Does have new headlights. Low beam, high beam, new quadrajet 4-barrel on it, newer brakes, all 4 corners, radiator and core support, fuel pump, water pump, all recently done. Door panels, tack and clock on the interior. So again, recently gone through. It's ready for the next owner to enjoy it. Previous owner just needed more room is all. Otherwise, he would have kept the car. Moving on to other endeavors. If you like these C3 Corvettes, or maybe you're just into Corvettes in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Never know what you may see through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, either online or right off our showroom floor if you make it see us in person. All right, let's take a little closer peek at this interior. Mentioned new door panels. As you can see, those are in great shape. Keep that door open. Seating also in nice shape. Little wear on the piping right here from going in and out on the driver's side. Weather stripping was also replaced on this, as well as the convertible top before. So those are in good shape. Like I said, we're going to put that top up here in just a bit. First, let's go ahead and fire this up. I want you to hear it run. We'll check out the engine bay and we'll check out those headlights too. Should say headlight doors. Make sure those are working. Again, L82 350. There you can see tack is working. That's newer. Clock's working. It's also newer. Windshield wipers work. AC blows cold. Like I said, this car is ready to get in, turn in the key, go have some fun. Door closes nicely. Nothing crazy over the top of the exhaust. It is a true dual exhaust. Alright, we got a little vacuum built up. Let's check out these headlights. There they go, as they should. Close as they should. How about this engine bay? copy of the original window sticker with this car also. Oh, new master cylinder. This is a numbers matching engine too. And you'll be able to see the data tag, the stamping, all that in the still pictures. Very stock looking engine bay. A little different ignition it looks like back here. Smooth runner. Nicely equipped, no doubt about that. Underside of the hood, nice and tidy. So again, original Virginia car up till 2021, 3-owner vehicle. Original mile car. All right, let's see here. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna fold this top up and get that secured, show you how that works. And we'll check out the condition of the top. Remember, stick around to the very end. Jason's gonna take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. And the top up, as you can see, folds up easily, one person. So white vinyl top has been replaced once since new. See, it's a nice shape, nice tight fit above the windshield. Rolled up the side glass, you can see how that fits also. Nice fit on the side. Rear window, nice and clear. Passenger side glass also fits good. So what you'd expect. Nice car with a nice vinyl top to it. I will show you how easy it is to fold it back down too. And then we'll wrap up this video. And remember, stick around to the very end. Jason's gonna take this thing for a drive. Put the camera in it, take you for a virtual ride. See how it goes down the road. There you go. Goes down as easy as it goes up. 1974 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Call us 507-386-1726. Remember all those still pics, underside, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. And we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1974 Chevrolet Corvette convertible, and we do have the top down today. Great looking blue on this car. This is an automatic on the center console here, so it's super easy to drive. There's a little bit of slack in the steering. You don't really notice it when you're driving. Our turn signal indicator is working. Nice firm shifts in the automatic transmission of this car. Great exhaust sound. Good throttle response. We've got the factory speedometer and tachometer working well. Factory clock right there, the minute hand is moving. Fuel gauge is showing 3/4 of a tank. Temperature about 190. Oil pressure is at 40. And the battery is charging a little above 0, which is where it should be. Blower motor works. The wipers also work. It's just a car that is ready to go. Factory looking bucket seats in this Corvette. Kenwood stereo in the dash.
Mankato hits best of the 80s and 90s in Europe.
Good sound coming out of those front speakers. Corners as it should for a 74 Corvette. Stays pretty flat. Classic American design, the C3 Corvette. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.